I am very pleased to join you this evening in the spirit of respect, peace, a peace conveyed so beautifully by the handsome temple behind us. I know you as the very best example of India and other countries that are represented here this evening. I know you also as a remarkable world citizen marked distinctly by your tolerance, compassion, and desire for dialogue and understanding. Let me conclude by expressing my genuine appreciation and gratitude to everyone at Baps Hindu Mundar who has worked diligently to organize this evening. Thank you for your commitment to and dedication to promoting values of peace, harmony, fraternity, and coexistence.
But I'd like to begin with my deepest gratitude to the rulers of UAE, especially His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, for gifting this land so that we can spread more and more tolerance and harmony. I personally feel that all the blessings of all the fasting that you have done, all the rituals and ceremonies and prayers that you have performed, have all been collected in this premises today. So thank you very much for coming here on this special month. Where there is light, there can never be night. Where there is friendship like this, there cannot be other thoughts. Where there is harmony, there cannot be disharmony. Where there is love, there cannot be hate. I want to say today, in conclusion, in the courtyard of the Baps Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi, be proud that Abu Dhabi is the new capital of harmony of the world. Thank you for coming here.